Hey guys, what do I have? I have a receipt, but what is it? Phantasmal Flames Boost Bundle. So, we're going to crack into this bad boy right now with my trusty little cutting tool device because I don't have a Pokemon knife just yet. So, smack into this. Bring the bin closer. Okay. I'm a man. Let's go. 6 packs. 6 gorgeous little packs. All Phantasmal. Let's grab 2. Haha. There we go. So, chuck them to the back. Let's go. So, it's a little bit of a different angle. I'm gonna try different angles. See what I can do. See some of my pink wall behind you. There goes the energy card, which is just an energy card, so no one really cares about that. Ooh, Lotad. Bolton. Power through these bad boys. Ooh, Flagon. Bummer. Ah, Reshiram, that's a new card for me, but that's not what we want. We want fire. That's why this code card, and then I was gonna say fire, but it never really works for me, you know. Come on, let's go. Okay, let's go. Bummer. Atrocious. Oh well, maybe tomorrow. Have some better luck. Peace.